Hey guys, welcome to the supplementary lectures. In this video, we are going to learn about determinants operation. Determinant are the form of matrix which only represent in the form of square of matrix. The square matrix has the number of columns and rows as same. The determinant of any matrix is represented as 2 bar instead of the bracket. We can only find the determinant of the square matrix. First, let us see the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix and then 3 by 3 matrix. The determinant of 2 by 2 is done such a way that first element will be multiplied by the last element and then the second element is multiplied by the third element. It is just cross multiplication. Then difference between them, remember that first we write the product of the left side minus the right side product. Now let us understand the 3 by 3 matrix. In that we first consider the first element, then ignoring its column and row, multiply with the remaining form, and that will be just a 2 by 2 determinant. Similarly, we consider the second element, then again ignoring its row and column. Remember that when we choose the second element, it should be negative of second element. This is an exception. However, take out the remaining form of 2 by 2 matrix. Similarly, do it for the third case. And we get such arrangement of determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Let us take an example to understand the determinant of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix. Find the determinant of matrix 2, 3, 1, 5 and then we cross multiply. So we get 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 1. So we get 10 minus 3 and that is 7 determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Here are the elements. We consider the first element 2, then multiply with the remaining 2 by 2 form. Similarly, for rest of the 2 elements, now we compute the 2 by 2 matrix and further we get the algebraic form of and then the final answer. If you need to learn more about the matrix or their properties or things like minors or cofactors, you can comment about it. I will definitely prepare the video on it. Alright, this video was specially created for my vector multiplication video, so don't miss that. And don't forget to check my playlist on classical mechanics.